Hello and welcome to Oracle Primavera P6 training course offered by Bright Future Life. Thank you for joining this course. In this video, we will focus on advantages of the Oracle Primavera P6 software. Lesson objectives. In this lesson, you are going to learn advantages of the Oracle Primavera P6 software, difference between projects, programs, and portfolios. First, we are planning to discuss about advantages of the Oracle Primavera P6 software. Oracle Primavera P6 gives unparalleled control, monitoring, and insight to planners, project managers, schedulers, employers, stakeholders, and any other who are involved in a given project. First one, Primavera P6 reduces risk. When your schedule has inconsistencies, errors, or overrun issues, project expenses will grow. This could mean cutting more vital aspects of the project to compensate for the excess costs. Using Primavera P6 helps identify and mitigate risk in the course of planning, managing, and completing a project. Second one, easy to use software. Primavera P6 offers many complex analyses and processes. However, accessing and managing the schedule remains simple. Simply input your information and wait for the software to determine if any problem exists. For example, worker shifts may be uncovered, have too many employees, or additional raw materials may be needed. P6 may be used throughout an entire project, even large multi-tier projects. Third one, optimize resources. Primavera P6 allows all involved in the project to carefully monitor resource availability and adjust such resources to meet project demands. Furthermore, the software can help identify areas where resource cost may be reduced by analyzing resource trends and costs. Fourth one, enhanced visibility. Visibility and compliance with political and environmental regulations are among the top priorities for project managers and business executives. Since Oracle Primavera P6 allows all data to be entered, tracked, and analyzed in one location, you can ensure your project does not pose any possible violations. Fifth one, forecasting of project activities. As a project evolves, the project may require additional resources, activities, and tasks to meet stakeholder demands. Within Oracle Primavera P6, project managers can create forecasts for resources, activities, and other project needs. Sixth one, tracking features. The tracking features of Primavera P6 allow users to rapidly generate reports, ensure all projects are completed as requested, and maintain baseline adherence. Seventh one, enhance communication. Some projects may span large geographic areas, require hundreds of workers, and involve many different parties. Primavera P6 enables executive level staff to communicate with each other workers, project managers, and planners easily. Furthermore, notes can be made to the schedule in the software to ensure all users see the message. Eighth one, improved collaboration. Since communication is enhanced throughout the project, it's easy to see how improved communication translates into improved collaboration. This is especially important when projects span large areas. For example, projects in the energy production industry may require collaboration between many different parties. Ninth, gives employees responsibility in schedule creation. Primavera P6 makes the scheduling and planning processes easier by allowing users access to the schedule. Additionally, you may allow workers to create their schedules within the software from their location. Workers may also make schedule requests within the software, turn in timesheets, and perform other scheduling functions. 10th one, break down complex projects. The size of a project can be overwhelming. Oracle P6 allows project managers to break large projects into smaller, achievable projects, tasks, and activities. Next, the difference between projects, programs, and portfolios. All three are structures that allow us to organize certain types of works. The difference between projects, programs, and portfolios need to be understood by the project managers. First one, projects. Projects, by their definition, have a defined start and end date. There is a point in time when the work did not exist, when it does exist, and when it does not exist again. This is the key determinant of whether a piece of work is a project. Projects also include a defined scope, finite budget, and assigned resources. Another characteristic of a project is that they always build something. If you find that all you're doing is meeting, then you probably are not in a project. Projects always create one or more deliverables. Projects should be managed proactively using solid project management processes and techniques. Second one, programs. Some initiatives are so large that it makes sense to break them up into a set of smaller projects. These smaller projects are easier to plan, manage, and finish successfully. However, the problem with breaking up work into smaller projects is that each project may start to make independent decisions that will be good for the project, but detrimental to initiative as a whole. The purpose of a program is to provide central management and control over a set of underlying projects that are all trying to deliver a common solution. The project allows the project to achieve a common benefit that would be difficult for each project to achieve independently. Third one, portfolios. Portfolios are collections of work. The term is used a couple ways. Portfolios can be actually be similar to departments in that they could only exist in the organization chart. One day you could have a finance department and the next day you could have a finance portfolio. However, in most cases, the portfolio is not a formal organization but is a logical way to group, organize, and manage a collection of work. Well, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Share the awesomeness with your friends and folks. Happy learning!